handed our petition to the Zimbabwe Election Commission. Unfortunately, the chairperson of ZEC was not there to receive our petition. We therefore requested the most senior person there, and we were given the chief executive officer, and we handed our petition, and we do have proof that we have handed our petition. This was a peaceful event, and we did that in terms of Section 59 of our Constitution, which allows us the freedom to demonstrate and present petitions. We have presented our petition.
What's the issue with ZEC?
Well, ZEC has compromised its independence. The procurement of the biometric voter registration kits is an issue of ZEC. And once it subcontracts that to government, either by default or by agreement, then it is compromising independence. It is not up to ZEC to compromise its independence because it did not give itself the independence in the first place. The independence was given by the people of Zimbabwe in a constitution.
So what do you want to happen?
We want ZEC, if it is unable to assert its independence, to be disbanded. And once it is disbanded, it must be replaced by a SADC, AU, yes, or UN run or UN run election management body. And this has happened before in this country. It happened in 1980. It can happen now. All we want are electoral reforms which guarantee the secrecy of the vote, the security of the vote, and the security of the voter. And we are not going to compromise on that.
The petition, is there any time frame?
No, we did not give a time frame, number one. Number two, not saying anything is a response as far as we are concerned. So they may decide to write to us. They may decide to tell us by word of mouth. They may decide to keep quiet. And to us, keeping quiet is a response. It is a comment.